Good morning from Maasai Mara. We are at the bank of Mara river. Yesterday we had a very good sighting of lions and then a cheetah called Nagol which hunted in front of us, a full grown gazelle mother, and unfortunately it was a painful sight to see because the mother was pregnant. So not only one but two lives were taken by that cheetah, but that is the nature.
We are coming from Nagpur, a group of our friends, and it was a wonderful event which we witnessed yesterday. One of the prime events which people look for, and luckily we saw it on our first day of our visit here, and that was a kill by a cheetah. Cheetah, as you all know, is the fastest animal in the world, and that cheetah we found resting on the ground on a vast wasteland and with shrubs and bushes and grasses only. And in front of us, he identified two impalas, small ones, at a distance of almost more than 500 meters. He stood up, he identified his object, his prey, and then started walking and then running and jogging, and then he took the sprint of 100 meters. And within a flash, the next moment I saw was his jaws were in the throat of that impala. And that impala was dead within a few seconds. That was his skill. And after he was flat on the ground, he loosened his jaws to take his breath back and to gain back his strength before he could put his jaws into the flesh and have a nice meal. It was a wonderful spectacle, a very rare one, and we were lucky to witness it.